Welcome to Wescott, located in Midlothian, Virginia. We are so excited to tell you about this fantastic new home community. This beautiful community allows you to have the best of both worlds, amazing homes and a great location. With low maintenance living, you can enjoy free time with your family and friends. HHHunt Homes is excited to offer brand new townhomes. These townhomes combine luxury living with a low maintenance lifestyle. They offer up to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, gourmet kitchens, luxurious primary suites, and some floor plans offer garages. Oh, and some also offer basements. The community also offers homeowners an array of amenities, like the state-of-the-art clubhouse, The Connection, which offers tech-savvy connectivity, a coffee bar, conference rooms, and a mix of indoor and outdoor gathering spaces. Other amenities include an outdoor kitchen, sidewalks, and a park with yard games, hammocks, bench swings, and an amphitheater. Just outside of the community, the local area is teeming with shopping, breweries, wineries, and more. If you love the outdoors, you are going to love living in Midlothian, Virginia. You can kayak the James River or visit one of the many parks. Plus, downtown Richmond, Virginia is just minutes away. We would love to meet with you and show you this amazing community. Honestly, Wescott is a community built for any lifestyle. With beautiful homes, amenities, and an amazing location, what's not to love? Visit us today at hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.